working with these little dog tags that I got. And a lot of people ask me where I get my molds. I get practically all my molds from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and make these for my dog River. I'm gonna go ahead and make these for my dog River. And let's see if I can get into this. I got this bag of glitter beads from Dollar Tree. Let's see if I can get her name. I'm seeing every letter except the ones I need. Go figure. Let me dump some of these out and see if I can get her name going here. There's R. I. Here's an E. Still need the V and another R. Aha, here's a V. R-I-V-E. And here's another R. Ah, perfect. R-I-V-E-R, River. I wonder if that would fit on the small one. Let me see. And she's not a very large dog, and she wouldn't need anything that would have such a big thing around her neck. I mean, I know she's a baller, but she's not that big of a baller. Maybe if I move them around. R-V-E-R. Oh yes, I could do it that way. So you could sit here playing around with this for hours until you actually get it the way you want it to look. Let me see. I think I like how that looks. Oh, I like that. I like that. Maybe just random letters in here. I know. I have no other dog. We just have River. That's all. Ooh, but we do have a horse. No, she's probably not going to wear this, but I can at least use her name. Ooh. Oh. I need another E and a Y. There's the Y. Where's the E at? Here's an E. Alright, there we go. So I've got River and Bailey. I've already got some resin mixed up. So let's go ahead and get that poured. And it does have my favorite glitter in there. It's got the Unicorn glitter mixed in. Alright. And this, of course, is if you have a large dog. Or you just want to go ahead and have something for your horse with its name on it. Bailey, of course, will not be wearing this. There we go. I have a little bit more resin left over, and I also have another dog tag. Let me go grab that real quick. Be right back. There you go. Got round ones also. Probably don't have enough resin for that one. I don't know, we'll see. How about we have some mom and me tags. I'll make that one. And no, I won't be wearing this, but you know, maybe it should say something else. Well, that's a W, that's not an M. W's and M's look so much alike. Here's an M. Here we go. Yep, that about covers the tags. So I won't be doing the large tag at all, because I have more than enough just for these tags, but not enough for the large one. Let's put a little bit more in Bailey's tag. I love this because the resin will definitely hold those letters in. You guys hear the birds? All right, well, I'll let this dry for 24 hours and I'll see you tomorrow. So I used keychain ring to go through the hole because it is really thick and it won't hold a regular jump. And again, keychain ring on here, which is going to be perfect. I can just stick that right on my keychain. I can do the same thing with this, but River actually does have a new collar that we have not used yet. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put it on her new collar and put this on her, see if she likes it. It's going to take me a minute to get this to go through the hole. Got it. Nice. This is going to look cute on her. If she will pose for the pictures, I'll go ahead and get some pictures made of her real quick. Is my dog the only one who hates posing for pictures? Okay, believe it or not, she actually likes her new dog tag. She wears it proudly. She just won't let me take a picture of her with it on there. I have to sneak one in. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.